Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Alexandru. On this channel you will find news and information about cryptocurrencies and business, also very good information about different methods of earning money. If you like this Alexandru YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In the clip presented today we will talk about Bitcoin loses $15 billion in market cap in just 10 minutes as US inflation rises. According to data from CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin is trading at $19,097 at the time of this video. Thus, the flagship digital asset lost $15 billion in market capitalization in about 10 minutes, falling from $379.91 billion to $364.55 billion after the appearance of unfavorable data from the June CPI report. Importance of CPI report on cryptocurrencies. As the release of inflation statistics approached, investors waited and global markets remained calm, but as many seasoned analysts had suggested earlier in the week, regardless of the nature of the news, whether positive or negative, they expected it to have a significant impact on digital asset prices. The inflation numbers, which were much higher than anyone expected, will put even more pressure on the US Federal Reserve to raise interest rates. Bitcoin, like other risk assets, has lost a substantial amount of value this year, falling by around 72%, as it has failed to function as a hedge against inflation so far. Bitcoin, which has always lived in a low-interest environment, has been crushed by the Fed's monetary policies, as have other risk assets. The strong jobs number announced last week suggested that the Federal Reserve will be able to make a soft landing, preventing a recession, despite the significant increase in interest rates. Uncertain future for Bitcoin. Meanwhile, after hitting a low of $17,600 in June, the widespread consensus among investors was that Bitcoin would face another major decline in the near future.